Welcome to another exciting episode where we delve into the nitty-gritty of maintenance and reliability practices. I'm Ryan Chan, your guide and the CEO of UpKeep, here to equip you with tools and insights for optimal operations. In this episode, we're taking a deep dive into a common but complex issue that many facilities and manufacturing plants face: deferred maintenance. We'll be unraveling what it is, its implications, the staggering cost it can incur, and how it creates a vicious cycle in your maintenance operations. But rest assured, we'll also explore a practical 5-step plan to tackle this challenge effectively. So what exactly is deferred maintenance? It's when repairs to infrastructure and assets are delayed and backlogged due to budget limitations or lack of funding. Sounds simple, right? But the implications of deferred maintenance can be much more complex and far-reaching. Research indicates that delaying maintenance can inflate future costs and capital expenditures by an astonishing 600%. Despite these potentially severe consequences, deferred maintenance is a common occurrence in facilities and manufacturing plants. It can lead to safety hazards, energy inefficiency, and even damage an organization's reputation. Deferred repairs often end up in a maintenance backlog, creating a vicious cycle. As necessary upgrades are postponed, system failures start occurring more frequently and in larger volumes. This forces maintenance teams into a reactive mode, shifting their focus away from preventive maintenance. But don't worry, there are ways to decrease deferred maintenance. Let's walk through a 5-step plan. Step 1 is to log maintenance activity. Centralizing data around assets, equipment, work requests, and work orders is crucial for shrinking a deferred maintenance backlog. Many facility managers invest in a computerized maintenance management system or an enterprise asset management system. These systems capture wrench time, time to complete, maintenance costs, and warranties, which are all useful when conducting audits and making return on investment cases. Step 2 involves conducting an audit. Once you've gathered important data, an audit can help you understand the scope of maintenance-related issues. Ask yourself questions like, is there equipment with warranties about to expire? Has certain equipment failed more frequently? Were these failures unexpected and unpredictable? What poses a safety threat? What is impacting staff or the production of goods or services? The answers to these questions will help you compile a complete list of repairs and upgrades you would pursue if you had unlimited budget and resources. Step 3 is all about prioritizing the backlog. After answering the central question, you're unlikely to get a blank check and extra technicians. Therefore, it's key to prioritize the backlog around a set of criteria. You can separate the backlog into 2 main categories: projects that require immediate attention and those that can be delayed but will become critical if not addressed within a certain time frame. You can also categorize the backlog by cost of upgrade, time to repair, asset life cycle, location of repair, contractor repair versus in-house repair, and dependencies. Step 4 is to start or increase preventive maintenance tasks, also known as PMs. This is a surefire way to prevent emergency maintenance and deferred maintenance from spiraling out of control. Investing in a computerized maintenance management system makes PM scheduling easy with calendar views and automated reminders. Finally, step 5 is to secure additional budget. This is easier if you can show where your current budget is allocated. After implementing a system that helps you do this, you need to convince the higher-ups that increasing short-term profits or budget savings will cost more in the long run. Remember, deferred maintenance compounds by 7% per year. Let's illustrate this with an example. The National Park Service relies on funding from the United States federal government. In 2017, they reported that deferred maintenance totaled $11.6 billion. Repairs and maintenance were delayed for everything from bridges and tunnels to monuments and amphitheaters. However, in 2019, the National Park Service received additional funding to reduce deferred maintenance to a manageable level. This was largely due to their rigid process for identifying and reporting deferred maintenance. In conclusion, while deferred maintenance is inevitable, taking a multi-pronged approach is critical to prevent a backlog that's impossible to manage. Leading your organization in solving this challenge will result in cost savings, better safety, and a larger role in planning for the future. Thank you for joining us today. We've discussed the complex issue of deferred maintenance, its implications, and a 5-step plan to manage it effectively. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights and strategies on maintenance and reliability. For more resources and tools, visit our website at upkeep.com. Until next time, stay informed and stay proactive.